بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
كافها يا عين صاد. ذكر رحمة ربك عبده زكريا.
This is the mentioning of that mercy of your Lord, which He bestowed upon His bondsman Zachariah.
إذ نادى ربه نداء خفيا.
When he called his Lord softly,
قال رب إني وهن العظم مني واشتعل الرأس شيبا ولم أكن بدعائك رب شقيا.
he submitted, O my Lord, my bone has become weak, and the flame of old age, i.e., gray hair, is shining from the head. And O my Lord, I have never been unsuccessful after calling you.
وإني خفت الموالي من ورائي وكانت امرأتي عاقرا فهب لي من لدنك وليا.
And I fear my relatives after me, and my wife is infertile. Therefore bestow upon me from yourself such an heir who will take over my work.
يرثني ويرث من آل يعقوب واجعله رب رضيا.
He should be my successor, an heir of the children of Yaqub, and O my Lord, make him a cherished one.
يا زكريا إنا نبشرك بغلام اسمه يحيى لم نجعل له من قبل سميا.
O Zachariah, we give you the glad tidings of a son whose name is Yahya. Before him, we have not made anyone of this name.
قال رب أنى يكون لي غلام وكانت امرأتي عاقرا وقد بلغت من الكبر عتيا.
He submitted, O my Lord, how can I have a son, whereas my wife is infertile, and I have reached the state of thinness due to old age?
قال كذلك قال ربك هو علي هين وقد خلقتك من قبل ولم تك شيئا.
He said, it is exactly as so. Your Lord said, that is easy for me, and I have indeed created you before this, at a time when you did not exist.
قال رب اجعل لي آية. قال آيتك ألا تكلم الناس 3 ليال سويا.
He submitted, O my Lord, give me some sign. He, Allah, said, your sign is this, that you will not have the ability to speak to people for 3 nights and days despite having good health.
فخرج على قومه من المحراب فأوحى إليهم أن سبحوا بكرة وعشيا.
So he came out to his people from the mosque, and he spoke to them through gestures that keep glorifying your Lord in the morning and the evening.
يا يحيى خذ الكتاب بقوة وآتيناه الحكم صبيا.
O Yahya, hold on to the book, i.e., the Torah firmly, and we gave him prophethood in his childhood.
وحنانا من لدنا وزكاة وكان تقيا.
And compassion from us, and purity, and he was extremely fearful of Allah.
وبرا بوالديه ولم يكن جبارا عصيا.
And was dutiful towards his parents, and was neither hostile nor disobedient.
وسلام عليه يوم ولد ويوم يموت ويوم يبعث حيا.
And peace is upon him the day he was born, and the day he will pass away, and the day he will be raised alive.
واذكر في الكتاب مريم إذ انتبذت من أهلها مكانا شرقيا.
And remember Maryam in the book, i.e., the Quran, when she went apart from her family to a place towards the east.
فاتخذت من دونهم حجابا فأرسلنا إليها روحنا فتمثل لها بشرا سويا.
So there she wailed from them. We henceforth sent our spiritual one, i.e., Jibreel, towards her. He appeared before her in the form of a healthy man.
قالت إني أعوذ بالرحمن منك إن كنت تقيا.
She said, I seek refuge of the most gracious from you if you fear Allah.
قال إنما أنا رسول ربك لأهب لك غلاما زكيا.
He said, I have been sent by your Lord so that I may give you a pure son.
قالت أنى يكون لي غلام ولم يمسسني بشر ولم أك بغيا.
She said, how can I bear a son? No man has touched me, nor am I unchaste.
قال كذلك قال ربك هو علي هين ولنجعله آية للناس ورحمة منا وكان أمرا مقضيا.
He said, it is only as so. Your Lord has declared that this is easy for me, and in order that we make him a sign for the people and appoint him as a mercy from us. And this matter has been decreed by Allah.
فحملته فانتبذت به مكانا قصيا.
Now Maryam conceived him, and she went away with him to a faraway place.
فأجاءها المخاض إلى جذع النخلة قالت يا ليتني مت قبل هذا وكنت نسيا منسيا.
The pain of labor then brought her to the trunk of the date tree. She said, oh, I wish I had died before this and had become someone totally forgotten.
فناداها من تحتها ألا تحزني قد جعل ربك تحتك سريا.
The angel therefore called her from underneath the date tree, that do not grieve. Undoubtedly, your Lord has made a stream flow below you.
وهزي إليك بجذع النخلة تساقط عليك رطبا جنيا.
And grab the trunk of the date tree and shake it towards you. Fresh ripe dates will fall upon you.
فكلي واشربي وقري عينا فإما ترين من البشر أحدا فقولي إني نذرت للرحمن صوما فلن أكلم اليوم إنسيا.
So eat and drink and keep your eyes cool. If you then see any person, so say with signs, I have pledged a fast of silence for the most gracious. I will therefore not speak to any person today.
فأتت به قومها تحمله قالوا يا مريم لقد جئت شيئا فريا.
So carrying him in her arm, she brought him to her people. They said, O Maryam, you have indeed done something very strange.
يا أخت هارون ما كان أبوك امرأ سوء وما كانت أمك بغيا.
O sister of Harun, your father was not an evil man, nor was your mother an unchaste woman.
فأشارت إليه قالوا كيف نكلم من كان في المهد صبيا.
Thereupon she pointed towards the child. They said, "How can we speak to an infant who is in the cradle?"
قال إني عبد الله آتاني الكتاب وجعلني نبيا.
The child Isa said, "I am Allah's bondsman. He has given me the book and made me a conveyor of the unseen news," i.e., a prophet.
وجعلني مباركا أينما كنت وأوصاني بالصلاة والزكاة ما دمت حيا.
And he has made me blessed wherever I may be, and ordained upon me salah and zakah for as long as I live.
وبرا بوالدتي ولم يجعلني جبارا شقيا.
And he has made me dutiful to my mother and has not made me hostile, unfortunate.
والسلام علي يوم ولدت ويوم أموت ويوم أبعث حيا.
And that very peace be upon me the day I was born, and on the day I shall pass away, and on the day I will be raised alive.
ذلك عيسى بن مريم قول الحق الذي فيه يمترون.
This is Isa, the son of Maryam, a statement of truth in which they, the Christians, doubt.
ما كان لله أن يتخذ من ولد سبحانه إذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون.
It does not befit Allah to take someone as his son. Purity is to him. When he orders anything, he just commands to it be, and it becomes instantly.
وإن الله ربي وربكم فاعبدوه هذا صراط مستقيم.
And said Isa, "Indeed, Allah is my Lord and your Lord, therefore worship Him. This path is straight."
فاختلف الأحزاب من بينهم فويل للذين كفروا من مشهد يوم عظيم.
The groups then differed amongst themselves, so destruction is for the disbelievers from the presence of a great day.
أسمع بهم وأبصر يوم يأتوننا لكن الظالمون اليوم في ضلال مبين.
How much will they listen to, and how much will they see on the day when they will be present before us? But today the unjust are in open error.
وأنذرهم يوم الحسرة إذ قضي الأمر وهم في غفلة وهم لا يؤمنون.
And warn them of the day of regret when the matter would have been decided and they are in negligence and they do not believe.
إنا نحن نرث الأرض ومن عليها وإلينا يرجعون.
Indeed, we shall be the heir, i.e., the owner of the earth and whatever is therein, and only towards us will they return.
واذكر في الكتاب إبراهيم إنه كان صديقا نبيا.
And remember Ibrahim in the book, indeed he was Siddiq, i.e., exceptionally truthful, a conveyor of the unseen news, i.e., the prophet.
إذ قال لأبيه يا أبت لم تعبد ما لا يسمع ولا يبصر ولا يغني عنك شيئا.
When he said to his father, "O my father, why do you worship the one who neither hears nor sees and cannot benefit you in any way?"
يا أبت إني قد جاءني من العلم ما لم يأتك فاتبعني أهدك صراطا سويا.
O my father, indeed there has come to me that knowledge which did not come to you. Therefore follow me. I will show you the straight path.
يا أبت لا تعبد الشيطان إن الشيطان كان للرحمن عصيا.
O my father, do not be a bondsman of the devil. Indeed, the devil is disobedient to the most gracious.
يا أبت إني أخاف أن يمسك عذاب من الرحمن فتكون للشيطان وليا.
O my father, I fear that a punishment may reach you from the most gracious. You may consequently become a companion of the devil.
قال أراغب أنت عن آلهتي يا إبراهيم لئن لم تنته لأرجمنك واهجرني مليا.
He said, What? Do you turn your face from my gods, O Ibrahim? If you do not desist, I will certainly stone you, and do not have any connection with me for a long time.
قال سلام عليك سأستغفر لك ربي إنه كان بي حفيا.
He, Ibrahim, said, Enough, salam, i.e., goodbye to you. I shall soon seek forgiveness for you from my Lord. Indeed, he is very kind to me.
وأعتزلكم وما تدعون من دون الله وأدعو ربي عسى ألا أكون بدعاء ربي شقيا.
And I shall leave you alone and all those whom you worship other than Allah, and I shall worship my Lord. It is likely that by worshipping my Lord, I will not be amongst the unfortunate.
فلما اعتزلهم وما يعبدون من دون الله وهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب وكلا جعلنا نبيا.
Then when he had alienated himself from them, and whom they worshipped other than Allah, we bestowed upon him Ishaq and Yaqub, and we made each of them a conveyor of the unseen news, i.e., the Prophet.
ووهبنا لهم من رحمتنا وجعلنا لهم لسان صدق عليا.
And we bestowed upon them our mercy and assigned for them a truly prominent reputation.
واذكر في الكتاب موسى إنه كان مخلصا وكان رسولا نبيا.
And remember Musa in the book. He was indeed a chosen one, and he was a messenger, a conveyor of the unseen news, i.e., the Prophet.
وناديناه من جانب الطور الأيمن وقربناه نجيا.
We called him from the right side of the Tur and brought him close in order to reveal our secret.
ووهبنا له من رحمتنا أخاه هارون نبيا.
And out of our mercy, we gave him his brother Harun, a conveyor of the unseen news, i.e., the Prophet.
واذكر في الكتاب إسماعيل إنه كان صادق الوعد وكان رسولا نبيا.
And remember Ismail in the book. He was indeed true in promise and was a messenger, a conveyor of the unseen news, i.e., the Prophet.
وكان يأمر أهله بالصلاة والزكاة وكان عند ربه مرضيا.
He used to command his family to offer salah and give zakah, and was pleasing to his Lord.
واذكر في الكتاب إدريس إنه كان صديقا نبيا.
And remember Idris in the book. He was indeed exceptionally truthful, a conveyor of the unseen news, i.e., the Prophet.
ورفعناه مكانا عليا.
And we raised him to a high station.
أولئك الذين أنعم الله عليهم من النبيين من ذرية ومن ذرية إبراهيم وإسرائيل وممن هدينا واجتبينا إذا تتلى عليهم آيات الرحمن خروا سجدا وبكيا.
It is these bondsmen upon whom Allah has bestowed favors from amongst the conveyors of the unseen news, i.e., prophets, from the descendants of Adam, and from those whom we caused to board along with Nuh, and from the descendants of Ibrahim and Yaqub, and from those whom we guided and chose. When the verses of the Most Gracious are recited to them, they would fall down, prostrating and crying.
فخلف من بعدهم خلف أضاعوا الصلاة واتبعوا الشهوات فسوف يلقون غيا.
So, after them in their place came those unworthy successors who missed Salah and pursued their lusts. So, they will therefore soon encounter the jungle of Ghai in hell.
إلا من تاب وآمن وعمل صالحا فأولئك يدخلون الجنة ولا يظلمون شيئا.
Except those who repented and accepted faith and did good deeds. These people will therefore enter paradise and they will not be wronged at all.
جنات عدن التي وعد الرحمن عباده بالغيب إنه كان وعده مأتيا.
Gardens of living, which the Most Gracious has promised to His bondsmen without them seeing the gardens. Indeed, His promise is about to come.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا إلا سلاما ولهم رزقهم فيها بكرة وعشيا.
They will not hear any vain talk therein, but only greetings of peace, and therein for them is sustenance, morning and evening.
تلك الجنة التي نورث من عبادنا من كان تقيا.
This is that garden whose heir we shall appoint from our bondsman who is pious.
وما نتنزل إلا بأمر ربك له ما بين أيدينا وما خلفنا وما بين ذلك وما كان ربك نسيا.
And said the angel Jibrail to the beloved Prophet, we the angels do not descend, but by the command of the Lord of your respected self. Only to Him belongs what is in front of us and what is behind us and what is in between them. And the Lord of your respected self is never forgetful.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما فاعبده واصطبر لعبادته هل تعلم له سميا.
Only He is the owner of the heavens and the earth and what is between them. So worship Him and be firm on His worship. Do you know of any other of the same name as His?
ويقول الإنسان أإذا ما مت لسوف أخرج حيا.
And mankind says, when I will die, will I definitely be brought back alive soon?
أولا يذكر الإنسان أنا خلقناه من قبل ولم يك شيئا.
And does man not remember that we created him before this and he was nothing?
فوربك لنحشرنهم والشياطين ثم لنحضرنهم حول جهنم جثيا.
So by the oath of your Lord, we shall assemble them and the devils all together and bring them around hell, fallen on their knees.
ثم لننزعن من كل شيعة أيهم أشد على الرحمن عتيا.
We shall then pick out from each group the one who will be the most daring towards the most gracious.
ثم لنحن أعلم بالذين هم أولى بها صليا.
We know then very well those who are most deserving to be roasted in hell.
وإن منكم إلا واردها كان على ربك حتما مقضيا.
And there is no one amongst you who shall not cross over hell. This is inevitably a decided matter upon the responsibility of the generosity of your Lord.
ثم ننجي الذين اتقوا ونذر الظالمين فيها جثيا.
We shall then rescue the fearful ones and leave the unjust in it, fallen on their knees.
وإذا تتلى عليهم آياتنا بينات قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أي الفريقين خير مقاما وأحسن نديا.
And when our clear verses are recited to them, the disbelievers say to the Muslims, which group has a better home and better company?
وكم أهلكنا قبلهم من قرن هم أحسن أثاثا ورئيا.
And many generations we did destroy before them, that they were better in goods and splendor than them.
قل من كان في الضلالة فليمدد له الرحمن مدا حتى إذا رأوا ما يوعدون إما العذاب وإما الساعة فسيعلمون من هو شر مكانا وأضعف جندا.
Say you, O beloved, the one who is in error, so the most gracious may give him enough respite until that time when they see that which they were promised, either the punishment or the day of judgment. So they will now come to know for whom is the evil rank and whose army is weak.
ويزيد الله الذين اهتدوا هدى والباقيات الصالحات خير عند ربك ثوابا وخير مردا.
And Allah will further increase guidance for those who have attained guidance, and the everlasting good deeds have the best reward by your Lord and the best outcome.
أفرأيت الذي كفر بآياتنا وقال لأوتين مالا وولدا.
So, have you seen him who denied our verses and says, I shall certainly be given wealth and children?
أطلع الغيب أم اتخذ عند الرحمن عهدا.
Has he glimpsed into the unseen, or has he made a pact with the most gracious?
كلا سنكتب ما يقول ونمد له من العذاب مدا.
Never, we shall now record what he says and give him an extremely prolonged punishment.
ونرثه ما يقول ويأتينا فردا.
And it is only we who shall inherit what he is mentioning concerning his possessions, and he will come to us alone.
واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة ليكونوا لهم عزا.
And they have taken gods other than Allah so that they may provide them with strength.
كلا سيكفرون بعبادتهم ويكونون عليهم ضدا.
Never, soon they, i.e., the false deities, will deny their worshipping and will become opponent of them.
ألم تر أنا أرسلنا الشياطين على الكافرين تؤزهم أزا.
Did you not see that we sent devils upon the disbelievers, that they incite them excessively to commit sins?
فلا تعجل عليهم إنما نعد لهم عدا.
So, O beloved, do not hasten upon them. We are only completing their counting.
يوم نحشر المتقين إلى الرحمن وفدا.
on the day when we shall take the righteous people towards the most gracious as guests.
ونسوق المجرمين إلى جهنم وردا
And will drive the culprits towards hell thirsty.
لا يملكون الشفاعة إلا من اتخذ عند الرحمن عهدا.
People are not the owners of intercession except those who have made a covenant with the most gracious.
وقالوا اتخذ الرحمن ولدا.
And the disbelievers said, the most gracious has chosen offspring.
لقد جئتم شيئا إدا.
You have indeed brought a speech of extreme limit of evil.
تكاد السماوات يتفطرن منه وتنشق الأرض وتخر الجبال هدا.
It is near that the heavens may tear apart, and the earth may burst apart, and the mountains may fall down ruined.
أن دعوا للرحمن ولدا.
That is because they ascribed offsprings to the most gracious.
وما ينبغي للرحمن أن يتخذ ولدا.
And it does not befit the most gracious to have offspring.
إن كل من في السماوات والأرض إلا آتي الرحمن عبدا.
All those who are in the heavens and the earth will be present in his majestic court as bondsmen.
لقد أحصاهم وعدهم عدا.
Indeed, he knows their number and has counted them one by one.
وكلهم آتيه يوم القيامة فردا.
And each one of them will be present alone in his majestic court on the day of resurrection.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سيجعل لهم الرحمن ودا.
Indeed, those who believe and did good deeds, the most gracious will place love for them.
فإنما يسرناه بلسانك لتبشر به المتقين وتنذر به قوما لدا.
O beloved, we have henceforth made this Quran easy upon your tongue, that you may give glad tidings with it to those who fear and warn those who are quarrelsome.
وكم أهلكنا قبلهم من قرن هل تحس منهم من أحد أو تسمع لهم ركزا.
And how many generations did we destroy before them? Do you ever see any one of them or even hear their slightest sound?
صدق الله العظيم.